Hi guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable press side key to end calls on the Samsung Galaxy S22 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and on the home screen open up the phone app. Next, tap on the option key at the top, and from the pop-up choose settings. In settings, you want to go down and tap on answering and ending calls. In here, press on or tap on press side key to end calls. So tap on the switch to turn it on, switch it off. Now if it is turned on, then when I receive an incoming call, I can press on the side key over here to end the call after I have picked up the call. So here I'm on the call at the moment, and when I want to end the call, instead of tapping on this red button, I can press on the side button to end the call. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.